What's up, everyone? Today, we're comparing two modern CRMs that are shaking up the game in 2026, Folk CRM and Attio. If you're tired of bloated, overpriced legacy systems and want something that actually feels good to use, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, smash that like button and subscribe. It helps the channel keep bringing you honest, no BS tech comparisons like this one. Overview. Let's set the scene. Folk CRM positions itself as the simple, relationship-first CRM. Think of it as a spreadsheet meets CRM, super intuitive interface, built for teams of 20 to 50 people who want powerful features without the complexity. Pricing starts at $20 per user per month. Attio, on the other hand, is the data nerd's dream. It's built on a flexible database architecture with custom objects, advanced automation, and a Notion-like interface. Starts at $29.36 per user monthly, but offers a genuinely useful free plan for up to 3 users. Attio is designed for startups and scale-ups that need their CRM to grow with them. Data model and customization. This is where these two really diverge. Folk keeps it simple. You get contacts, companies, pipelines, and custom fields. It's opinionated software that guides you into best practices. Perfect if you don't want to spend weeks configuring. Attio? Complete opposite. You can create custom objects for literally anything: investors, products, partnerships, whatever your business model needs. It's a relational database disguised as a CRM. If your business model is complex or unique, Attio gives you the flexibility. But here's the trade-off. More power means more setup time. Automation and workflows. Folk's automation is solid for what most teams need. You get email sequences up to 10 steps, AI-powered follow-up suggestions, and trigger-based workflows. The Workflow Assistant helps you automate outreach when contacts are created or fields update. It's straightforward, you can set it up in minutes, but it's not deep. If you need complex branching logic with 15 conditions, Folk will feel limited. Attio's Workflow Builder is genuinely impressive. Visual canvas, conditional logic, multi-step sequences, AI blocks, and even custom extensions via their SDK. You can build workflows that were previously impossible, like auto-qualifying leads based on product usage data synced from Segment. It's enterprise-grade automation at a fraction of enterprise prices. The downside? Steeper learning curve and workflows consume credits fast. AI features. Both platforms lean heavily into AI, but differently. Folk uses what they call Magic Fields AI prompts that can generate personalized email openers, enrich data, or sanitize fields across your database. Their follow-up assistant analyzes email and WhatsApp threads to suggest when and what to send. It's practical AI that saves time without being overwhelming. Attio embeds AI directly into the data model. You get AI attributes that auto-populate fields, research agents that gather company insights, and prompt-based content generation. Because Attio's AI works with structured data and custom objects, it's more powerful for complex use cases. But again, you need to build the structure first. Email and outreach. Folk has built-in email sequences, mail merge, multi-sender campaigns, and tracking all native. You can run small to medium campaigns right from the CRM without needing another tool. Their Chrome extension lets you grab leads from LinkedIn and send them straight into sequences. For sales teams, this is gold. Attio has email capabilities, but they're less developed. You get email sync, tracking, and basic sequences, but Folk is clearly ahead here. Attio expects you'll integrate with dedicated outreach tools like MailChimp or Mixmax for heavy lifting. Integrations. Folk, 6,000 plus integrations via Zapier, native connections to Google, Microsoft, WhatsApp, and their Chrome extension works on LinkedIn, Gmail, Twitter, Instagram. For a modern sales tool, it covers the bases: audio, native Gmail, Outlook Sync, Slack, Segment, Zapier, and this is huge, a well-documented GraphQL API. If you're technical or work with developers, Attio's API lets you build custom integrations and sync product data in real time. It's more developer-friendly. Pricing reality check. Folk, $20. User, month gets you basic features. Email sequences, dashboards, and deal management, you need the $40. Premium plan, no free tier. For a 5-person team, you're looking at $100, $200 monthly, depending on which features you need. Attio, free for 3 users with real features, not a trial. Plus plan at $29.36. User unlocks unlimited records and enhanced automation. Pro at $59.86. User adds custom objects and priority support. For the same 5-person team, Attio costs $145.180 on Plus, but you get more customization from the start. Here's the catch. Folk locks features behind higher tiers aggressively. Attio's pricing is more transparent. What you see on Plus is genuinely usable. So, which one should you choose? Go with Folk if you want plug-and-play simplicity, your team is 20 to 50 people, you prioritize email outreach, and don't need deep customization. It's perfect for agencies, consultancies, and sales teams that value speed over flexibility. Choose Attio if your business model is unique. You need custom data structures, you're technical or work with developers, and you want enterprise-grade automation without enterprise prices. Ideal for startups, VCs, and product-led growth companies. Honestly, both are light years ahead of Salesforce and HubSpot in terms of user experience. You really can't go wrong, it just depends on whether you prioritize simplicity or flexibility. That's it. Drop a comment with which one you're leaning toward. Links to both in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.